Autoregressive models. So basically, autoregressive models are generative models that predict the next value or token in a sequence based on all previously generated values, building output step by step in a left to right fashion. So in large language models, this means the model uses conditional probability where each token is generated using self-attention over earlier tokens, making the sequence coherent and context aware. So technically, autoregressive models optimize a next token prediction loss, ensuring that they learn grammar, meaning, and long-range dependencies. And they support sampling strategies like temperature, top K, and nucleus sampling for controlled generation. From the business perspective, autoregressive models enables chatbots, code generation, predictive text, content creation, and forecasting application, providing companies with scalable tools for automation, reasoning, and real-time intelligent assistant. Thank you.